Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 16th chapter, that is the data handling. In the previous video already have studied about that bar graphs. But students, today we are going to discuss about that multiple bar graphs. Multiple bar graphs means like double bar graphs or triple bar graphs. Okay, in the 6th standard also we have studied that double bar graphs. And today we are going to discuss about the multiple bar graphs. That means whenever you have studied that bar graphs equal, that means same width with or equal width with you have rectangle box, we are showing that data, representing the data, that is bar graphs. But same like it, but multiple rectangles, that means multiple bars whenever you are representing the data, that is called as multiple bar graphs. So let us discuss. Here I have given that one examples and explain, you can understand. Multiple bar graphs give the information of more than one type of side by side. Means you should see that here also I draw the picture side by side the bar graphs. That means this data is for that one country for or that for the special different data and representing for that one special country or place or things. So example, see that you can understand very clearly. Study the multiple bar graph of the top. Here 4 you can write students because place for that. Top of 4 medal winning country, 4 medal winning countries in the XIX Commonwealth Games in New Delhi 2010. The 3 adjacent bars corresponding to the each country represent the number of medals of each type of won. So that means one Commonwealth game what it was conducted by in India, Delhi. That is for that different country were participated and they won their gold medals, and which country how much they have won or how many medals they have got, they are showing that representation by the multiple bar graphs. So now look at here, I have taken that 1 centimeter for 10 medals. That means here 1 centimeter for 10 medals I have taken. So you can see that friends, and this line single line only there, that is gold medal. If double cross line is there, that is the silver medal, and plain is there with the bronze medal. So if the single line is there, that is the gold, this is the gold, this is silver, cross line is there, and this is plain, that is bronze medal. So now we can check that question students here. You should find out first of all, then after we can go for answer. Here I have drawn that India for that 3, Australia for 3, England for 3, and Canada for also 3. Now the for India for gold is this is for silver, and this is bronze. Now you should say to me, India for gold how many? Now here about that 75. Yes, 75 golds. How many bronze are silvers are there? If you take that 60, 55 or 60 are there. Okay, 55 you can take. If you see that 55 will get. So 55 silvers are there, and 50 what is that? Bronze is there. Same like Australia also we can say that, check that 60 gold medal and 40 silver, and next 50 is bronze. So different country having that according to the size you can check that. But this is for India, like 3 medals at a time they are showing the representation. Now check that friends, what is the silver medals won by India? Question is, what is the silver medals won by India? Silver is the middle one. So this is by this way you can identify. So silver is the middle one. So if we take that, that is the 55 medals. So we can write it, the answer 55 silver medals. Won by India. Which country won a total 145 medals? 145 medals. कौन सा country? So मतलब you have to find out that all that total. If you will count that, suppose this is 85. This is, you can see that how much? This if you check that 65. This is 40. 65 plus 40. And 105, this is 55, 155. So this is 155, you can write also students, because It is approximately we have taken. So 155 means Australia. So that's why what is that right? We can write answer Australia. Okay, this is the answer. The country won the total 155 medal is Australia. That is the Australia country that it won that what the medals? How many medals? 155 total medals. Silver, gold, and bronze. Which country has won the maximum number of gold medals? So if you will see that this England is highest up there. So 80 there. So we can write down the England. The answer is England. So many different questions also will ask by this graphs. So students, I hope you have understand about this multiple bar graphs. How can we draw? And the same weight you have to take, scale same like that you have to take. But the data if it is double given, double right, triple given means triple right. So this is called as the multiple bar graphs. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. It has completed your chapter. Next we will discuss. Continue in the next chapter. We will discuss the next video. Thank you all of you.